of flowers, one of the first things that comes to mind is their delightful and sometimes intoxicating fragrance. The memories of Hua'iliani tell the story of the sandalwood flower and the lovely fragrance of the mylan of the uplands in Hawaii. Ginger Blossom shares the story of the sweet scent of the ginger lei as it adorns the shoulders of one sweetheart, while Leana o Maui celebrates the rose garland that adorns the islands of Maui. Tiare no Hina then takes us to the islands of Tahiti, where the scent of the tiare flower is found all over the island. And Oteati Padie celebrates the delicate plumeria flower and its unforgettable sweet